What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And guess what we're making today?
Today we're making sushi. In fact, we're making spiral rolls. Ooh, what's going in that?
A little soft shell, crispy crab, avocado, cucumber, the works. Make it delicious, beautiful rice. Let's get into this recipe.
Most important part of the sushi is the rice. So we are gonna wash our rice 3 times. Agitate it till the water gets murky and then strain it off. Now we're gonna put it in our rice cooker, dance the little song that we don't have because we're not that cool. Then we're gonna start to make our batter for our crab. We're gonna put a little flour, a little cornstarch, a little ice water, mix it up with chopsticks until it becomes a nice batter consistency. Then we're gonna break down the soft shell crab, cut off the cape, remove the lungs from underneath, and then chop off his face. It's pretty easy. So for our roll, we're gonna make a Ponzu Glaze. In a pot, we're gonna put a ponzu, some honey, a little black vinegar, stir that up, and then reduce it till it's nice and thick. We're gonna dust our crab with some flour, put them into our flour dredge, go over to a hot pan and begin to shallow fry them. Put them in gently. You're gonna flip them once he's golden brown and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that beautiful color. We're gonna put them on a paper towel and dust them with togarashi spice and a little salt. Now we're gonna make our seasoned rice wine vinegar. So we're gonna add some sugar and salt to that, give it a little stir, and then pour our freshly cooked rice into a bowl, breaking it up, flattening it out evenly, pouring our vinegar over the back of a spoon to disperse it so it doesn't go all in one spot. Give it a taste, adjust for seasoning, add a little more salt, mix it up, set it aside. We're gonna make a spicy Kewpie Mayo, add a little Sambal to that, a little juice of fresh lime, give it a little mix, set it aside till we're ready. We're gonna julienne some cucumber to go inside of our roll. Then we're gonna do an avocado, so you're gonna run the knife around the edge of the avocado, give it a little twist, pop out the seed, take off the skin, and then give it a nice thin chop. Break in half our crab. We're gonna add a little chili oil from our chili oil video to our spicy mayo. You can see the link right up in the corner right now if you wanna watch that. Now it's time to assemble the roll. We're gonna press down our sushi rice, wetting our hands so we can make sure we get it to edge. Follow that with some Furikake, flip it over onto our sushi mat, put down some of our spicy mayo, a little avocado slices, followed by our beautiful soft shell crab, and then our cucumber. Then we're gonna roll and tuck with our sushi mat, making a perfect little roll. Isn't she pretty? We're gonna cut our roll in half, and then divide it into equal pieces, and begin to plate. Put down a little spicy mayo, follow with our little roll, a little bit of pickled ginger, that beautiful Ponzu Glaze, dollop of wasabi, and there you go.
You rolled the dip?
Now it's sushi time. Sushi.
Let's dig in.
Oh yeah, look at these 2-biters.
Some big boy rolls.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Look at that.
One biter.
That's so fucking good.
Actually, it's really, really good. See, sushi ain't that hard to make. Just takes a little technique, a little practice. We'll be making rolls in no time.
Delicious. That furikake, just like, how the fuck you say? Excuse my language, but delicious. Delicious.
Really good. I think it goes really well together.
Awesome. Thanks guys. Peace.
See you next week.